How was your weekend, Grace?
It was fine. I didn't do much. How about you?
Oh, my weekend was great. I actually went sailing with my husband and his family. It was so nice being on the water and having the wind in my hair.
Wow! I've never gone sailing before, but it sounds right up my alley. I'll have to try it sometime.
If something is up your alley, it means it is well suited to you. It means it's something that you would be interested in or that you would enjoy doing. Grace had never gone sailing before, but she said it was right up her alley because she believed it would be something she would enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And if you are interested in seeing other videos on English idioms, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.